Morning, grade 2. How are you after this nice weekend with the family? Fine, great, excellent. Wish you always the same. Now, lovely guys, lovely boys and girls, lovely ladies and gentlemen, will be the last lesson in grade 2. I will miss you so much. Lesson 8 will be about area. What's the meaning of area? The area is the place, right? Area means the place. This area, this is an area, right? This hole is an area. And this area is bigger than this area, the orange one, right? Right? In these two areas, I want you first to open page 783 and prepare color tiles. These color tiles, you need to cover each shape, and then you need to draw lines to show how the squares fit together. Then write how many tiles you used. What do I mean with that? You have tiles, right? You put the tiles, the colored tiles. Cover the whole shape by the tiles. Okay? When you cover it, okay, oopsie, this tile is not the same size. Okay, so now here is the same size tiles. Okay, I'm gonna use another color to show you more. Let's see here. This is the first tile, and the green one is the second one. This is the third tile, until you cover the whole area. When you're done, you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. and write the number of tiles you used in this blank. You do the same thing with the second area, with the second shape. Also use tiles. Okay, then count how many tiles did you use and write the number here. When you're done with this page, I want you to send it to me, okay? Then go to the next page, which is 784. Now, you need now to hold only your pencil. No need to use the tiles here. Okay, but keep them. We will use them later. Okay. Now, look at these shapes. These shapes are rectangles. This is the rectangle and this is another rectangle, right? Rectangles can be partitioned. What's the meaning of partitioned? Partitioned means separated or cut into equal sized squares. You can count the squares to describe its size. What does this mean? Okay, this is the rectangle. Okay, this is the purple rectangle is partitioned into squares. These are the squares, are equal squares. Equal in what? Equal in size. The same size. All of them have the same size. So let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I used 8 squares to cover this rectangle. So what size is this rectangle? This rectangle is 8 squares. Now let's do the same with the second rectangle. How many squares? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 squares, 12 equal sized squares are used for this rectangle to cover it, right? Now let's go to the next part. Count the squares. Write how many squares make each rectangle. As I told you, here is a rectangle. rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, rectangle 4, rectangle 5, rectangle 6. Now, I want you to write how many squares make each rectangle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 equal sized squares. Let's count the other one. See that our unit is squares. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done? No. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 squares. Let's go to number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here 16 squares. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 squares here. Let's use another way to count the squares. I can say by rows. Let's see. The first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I have 6. In the other row, I will have another 6, right? So what is 6 plus 6 now? I can use my mind. It's a 12. And instead of counting them all, I can count the first row. Then here 1, 2, 3. This is a 3. So for sure, the other row will be having 3. And the third row will be having 3. So now 3 plus 3 plus 3, it's 9 squares. And instead of keep on counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I can say 1, 2, 3. The first row, second row 3, third row 3. Got it? Let us use the same thing again. I will just show you quickly. Okay? Let's see here. Here I have, let's see, the first row, 1. I'm going to use the second way. 2, 3, 4. And instead of continue 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I can say here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. I can write here another 4 for this row. So here row 1. Here row 2 has 4 also. And row 3 has 4 also. Got it? So first row, second row, and third row. In each row I have 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 will be equal to 12, which is correct. Got it? Clear? Now, let's go. Oh, before going to the next page, put a big star for my smartest students, and not only one heart to the right, one heart to the left. Thank you so much. Let's go now to page 785. Amazing! See how nice our lesson today? How nice is our lesson? Very nice. The second page, you will solve it alone. Count the squares. Write how many squares make each rectangle. You have 2 ways to count the squares, okay? Try to use them both. Now, use colored tiles to cover each rectangle. Write how many tiles were used. And see here, they wrote for you tiles. Okay? You use the tiles we used at the beginning of the session, right? Now, sweetheart, go to the last question we'll solve together. Last question, really so smart question. Draw a picture to solve. So the first thing, they helped me to draw a picture to solve. Addison and Corinne each have a group of dominoes. Addison places 4 dominoes in each row. She made 5 rows. Corinne places 5 dominoes in each row, but she made 3 rows. Who has more dominoes? Great! Let's see here. Now, can you look at the dominoes here? Here is the dominoes. Now, if for dominoes for Addison, I have two characters, Addison and where's the other one? Addison and Corin. Okay, Addison and Corin each have a group of dominoes. Addison places 4 dominoes in each row. This is the first row for Addison. A for Addison. I'm gonna use another color for Corin later on. So Addison places 4 dominoes in each row. So 4 in each row. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4 dominoes, right? How many rows? Addison, she made 5 rows. 5 rows. So here, for how many times I'm gonna repeat number 4? I'm gonna draw here also 4 dominoes, here 4 dominoes, here 4 dominoes, and 4 dominoes. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many times did I repeat number 4? 5 times. Now 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to what? It is equal to 20. See, here I put them vertically, so no need to write the equal sign. So it is equal to 20. This is the equal sign for us, right? Now, let us go to Corin. I'm gonna use another color for Corin. This is for Corin. C is Corin, okay? Corin places 5 dominoes in each row. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. She has another one, 5. I will draw it here. Okay, so here 5 for the first row. How many rows? 3 rows. So let's see. Row 1, row 2, 5, and row 3 also 5. Now, if Corin added her dominoes, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So when she adds them together, it will have 15 dominoes. Now, who has more dominoes now? Is it 20 bigger than 15 or smaller? So 20 is bigger than 15. So 20 is bigger than 15. 20 is for Addison, while 15 is for Corin. Great job. Now, who has more dominoes? Can I write the 20 in the blank? No way, because they didn't say how many dominoes. They said who has. So the question is about the person who has more dominoes. So who has more dominoes? Is it Addison or Corin? So it is Addison. Wish you all understood the lesson. We write Addison. I want you now to complete the question number 12 and the question only 12 alone. So when you're done, please send me your work. Thank you so much for watching and following. I love you all and I miss you all.